Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
First, update Instagram to the latest version on your device now. This ensures settings shown match what I describe. Next, consider making your account private in Settings. Open your profile, tap Settings, then Privacy, and toggle Private Account on. A private account restricts who can see posts and any view data to approved followers only. If you need temporary privacy, use close friends for stories or share content through direct messages to specific people. Open Instagram settings to adjust count visibility for posts now. Go to Settings, then Privacy, then Posts, and find Hide Like and View Counts. Toggle this option to hide like counts and some view information from others on your posts. The change applies globally to your account and affects how others see engagement numbers. You can also hide counts on specific existing posts by tapping the Post menu and choosing Hide Like Count if that option appears. Be aware that Instagram does not let you hide view counts for public reels individually at this time. If you must prevent public view numbers, post the video only to close friends or upload it as a story while using a private account. You can also upload the reel, then immediately archive or remove it to erase the public view count. For ongoing privacy, keep your account private, regularly review followers, and use direct messages for sensitive video sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.